This is Paddington Station. It's pretty nice.
Hi, this is Chilli in Carne, and today from London, in front of this, I don't know if you recognize this crossing. Actually, last time, 2 weeks ago, I made a video in Xinhualu, and I said that it looks like this street. So I don't know if you guys remember, it's the Abbey Road here in London.
Here, this is a St. John's Wood station. Trains coming, I think. Oh, I look like a stupid tourist doing these videos again. Here in Camden Town. This used to be my neighborhood, so good memories with this place. This is my old flat, 17 Pratt News.